Man, it has been a long time since I have done any kind of motovlog thing, honestly. I guess you guys are behind compared to real life, so it's been a long time, honestly. I sold my 636 probably like 2 weeks ago or more or something. I just got a Grom like 3 days ago. I'm on Riley's bike today for the Murda Worth ride, boys. This video probably won't take forever to come out. I did have sorry, I was saying that I did have some other videos, but my mic adapter quit working. And so, like the last 3 videos that I had made, my mic adapter wasn't working. So just a lot of wind noise and just ruined everything. So that was unfortunate. So now I have a new one. So I'm really hoping this is working. If not, I'm gonna cry. Also, thank you Ridey's Power Sports for sponsoring this video. She's recording, gotta hit the... Don't y'all just miss the FZ? What kind of head signal is that? What does that mean? I don't know where we're going, man. There's not a lot of parking. Anyway, though, Murda Worth ride. Hey, there's the R7. That guy used to own this bike, and he sold it for R7. Shit, kind of wobbly though. Oh, gotta get used to this bike. There's swerving, and a Harley guy, and a Grom guy. Oh wait, that's Tucker. Oh! Damn, Tucker, you're flexible. Yeah! Swerving one-handed. Shit, man. Ooh. Wait, what is that? Is that CBR 300? Nutty. I've never seen somebody sell one of those, I don't think. Get the little steps in there. Gotta get his exercise, you know? He's gotta wheelie that thing like a Grom. Is he going up there to touch his hand? Oh, got the high five. Look at that R7, dude. Beautiful. Amazing. Oh, he gonna make it. Wonder if I could make this. Oh, he doing one-handers. Oh my gosh, man, if you guys ever thought I was good, shit, come to an actual big stunt ride. That's how all my friends are. Well, not all my friends, but like Jared, he'll be like, man, I thought you were good, and then we go ride with all these other stunters. He's like, you suck. Not really, he doesn't say, oh my gosh, but he'd be like, I mean, I know it, like, compared to all these other guys, I can't do a squat. All I can do is a basic wheelie. All the FZ's out here, dude. The FZ is the new 636, but better. Wheelie time. One-hander wheelie time. Combo time. Shit, man. Like low up there and up there, right there. Back here, we're just splitting up a little bit though. Oh! Sauce. I got a handbrake too, guys. I'm the only one that's not going to use it though. What, wheelie? Want me to do a wheelie? Oh, traffic. There's a bike down. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. He does not have a shirt. He good? Oh my gosh. His back is fucked up. That's where I wear a chest protector. Gotta keep my back nice and safe.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
How the fuck did he not die?
He seems okay, but his back, oh, he got road rash for days, man. Oh my gosh, that little 300 is screaming. Get it, man. Get it, man. Rolling burnout moment. I think my neck is sunburnt. Oh, he's got a stunt tank and everything. Dang. Hit the brakes. might as well do a wheelie for all you people waiting. Is this guy gonna make it through the turn like that? No way. Oh my gosh. That's fucking insane. See, that takes skill. I don't know what you think about quads. I was kind of surprised when quads were able to do that, like back at SBK, but definitely more impressive from a bike.